In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving email errors. First, start by signing in to your Yahoo account. Head to the Yahoo login page in your browser. If your account is already listed, click it to continue. If not, type your email address, proceed, and then enter your password to complete the sign-in. Take a moment to make sure you're on an official Yahoo page and that your login details are correct. A small typo can look like a bigger mail problem. Once you're signed in, go to the Yahoo homepage and click Mail at the upper right corner. This opens your inbox so you can check what's arriving and what isn't. If your mailbox looks quiet but you're expecting messages, the next place to check is the Spam folder. On the left side of Yahoo Mail, click Spam. Browse through the messages and see if legitimate emails have been routed there. If you find expected messages in spam, that's a strong clue that a rule or filter is moving them automatically. While you're looking, be cautious about opening unexpected messages or clicking links you don't recognize. After checking spam, head to your settings. Click the gear icon at the top right of Yahoo Mail, then choose More Settings. This opens a full settings page where you can manage how mail is handled behind the scenes. In the settings menu, click Filters. Filters are rules that sort incoming messages based on conditions you've set, such as sender or subject. They're helpful, but a misconfigured filter can send normal messages straight to spam or another folder, making it look like you're not receiving mail. Look through your list of filters and find any that send messages to spam or otherwise divert mail away from your inbox. Select the spam-related filter you don't want and delete it. When prompted, confirm the deletion. With that filter removed, you've eliminated a common cause of missing messages. Return to your inbox and give it a moment. New emails should now arrive as expected instead of being pushed to spam. If you rely on filters for organization, you can recreate them more carefully later. Just avoid broad rules that capture all mail or send messages to spam by default. That's it. You signed in, opened mail, checked the spam folder for misplaced messages, and removed a problematic filter so legitimate emails can reach your inbox again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your Yahoo Mail flowing normally.